Well, hey guys, and welcome back to Math with Miss Oswald. Are you smarter than a fourth grader version? I'm joined by my two lovely cousins here. This is Lillian.
Hi.
And this is Will. And we're going to see if they are smarter than a fourth grader. So here's how this works. I'm going to ask Lillian a question that has to do with long division. And she is going to answer it, and if she gets it wrong, Will gets a pie in the face. If she gets it right, I get a pie in the face. So we're really hoping she's bad at math, guys.
Your hair looks too pretty for this.
Oh,
No.
you're so sweet.
Yeah, I know.
I love getting compliments on my hair. Okay, are you ready, Lily?
Mm-hmm.
Are you ready, Will?
I'm indeed ready.
Okay, here we go. First question. I gotta look at it this way. Lawton Elementary collected $2,400 at the fourth grade basketball game of the season. No, that's a lie. At the fourth basketball game of the season. This was 4 times the amount they collected at the first game. How much did they collect at the first game? Okay. Lily's going to take a second and solve that. I'm going to put this back up here, actually. And I want you guys to try to solve this at home. What'd you get, Lily?
$600.
Can you tell us how you solved that?
I solved that using long division.
I was really hoping she didn't know how to do long division. And she would absolutely be correct.
Yay!
Lily was absolutely correct. If Lawton collected $2,400 at their fourth game, and that was 4 times as much as their first game, that would mean this number has to be 4 times greater than this, which would mean this number would have to be 4 times smaller than that. So in order to get that, we would have to divide. So 2,400 divided by 4. If you go through that, 4 does not go into 2. It goes over it, so it goes in 0 times. 4 times 0 is 0. Subtract, bring down your next digit. 4 goes into 24 6 times. 4 times 6 is 24. Subtract, you get 0. Bring down your next digit, which is a 0. 4 goes into 0 0 times. 4 times 0 is 0. Subtract, bring down your next digit. 4 times 0 is 0. Well, 4 goes into 0. 0 times 4 times 0 is 0. Subtract, and you don't have a remainder. So that would mean that at their first game, Lawton made $600.
Hey, how did you know that this was a division problem?
Because, that's a good question, Andrea. Thank you for asking. Because it said, because 4 times the amount they collected at the first game, which would mean that however much they got at the first game, they would have to times it by 4 to whatever they got at the fourth game. So then you divide, and you divide 2,400 by 4, and you get 600.
All right.
And that is long division.
Do I know what this means?
All right.
This means I get some pie in my face.
Does Will do it or do I do it?
I don't care. Okay.
Here
we go.
You ready?
Yep, I'm ready. Okay.
You said
I did say I was ready, so. Okay. That was good. Okay. Well, that was nice. Lily, are you ready for your next question?
Absolutely.
Are you guys at home ready for your next question? I hope so. Will has 340 hockey pucks. He wants to divide them evenly into 6 buckets. How many pucks will be in each bucket? Will he have any left over? All right. Please solve this at home. And Lily, take it away.
Okay. So, after careful math, I have deduced that in each bucket there will be 56 pucks, but there will be 4 left over.
Okay.
And once again, Lily was correct. If Will has 340 hockey pucks and he wants to divide them evenly into 6 buckets, anytime we divide something evenly, we know that it's going to be a division problem. So she did long division. And if you do that, 6 does not go into 3. It goes in 0 times. 6 times 0 is 0. Subtract, you get 3. and you bring down your 4. 6 goes into 34 5 times. 6 times 5 is 30. Subtract that, you get 4. Bring down your 0. 6 goes into 46 times. 6 times 6 is 36. 40 take away 36 is 4. And of course, remember, if you're doing 0 take away 6, you can't do that. So you've got to go next door and borrow. And so there's a remainder of 4, which means there will be 4 left over.
Oh my gosh. You got it right.
How
How did you do that?
I doubted myself on that one.
This is wrong. What did you do here?
What do you mean that's wrong? I said how many times does it go into 34?
Oh, I see what she did. Oh, man.
I really did.
I thought she was going to get it wrong.
Will, do you want to do it this time?
No.
Why?
Put
Put your hair back. Are you ready? Count with me, children. 1, close your mouth. 2, 3. Yay!
This is just going to be a video of me getting pie in my face. I really thought this was going to be them getting pies in their faces.
Sorry about it.
That's them. It tastes good. And we're back. Lily's been doing a really phenomenal job.
What can I say?
I gotta be honest, I underestimated how good they are at 4th grade math.
I am
So,
a senior in high school. I should say that.
our next problem, I'm just like preparing this one. I should probably get a pie in the face. So, it is 872
Yep.
divided by 7. Solve it at home. Lily's gonna solve it here,
Let's take a look-see.
and we'll see what happens. It's not looking good. Hope you're ready to see her answer. What'd you get, Lily?
I got 124 with the remainder of 4.
And once again, Lily bests me. So we have 872 divided by 7. 7 goes into 8 one time. 7 times 1 is 7. Subtract, bring down the 7. 7 goes into 17 2 times. 7 times 2 is 14. Subtract, 17 take away 14 is 3. Bring down the 2, that gives us 32. 7 goes into 32 4 times. 7 times 4 is 28. Subtract, can't do 2 take away 8, so you have to borrow. So that becomes a 2, that becomes a 12. 12 take away 8 is 4, 2 take away 2 is nothing. We don't have anything else to bring down, so we have a remainder of 4.
All right. Bring it on. I was ready for this one.
Yep, here we go. Do you want to do it or do you want me to do it?
Go ahead.
Really?
Have you done any of them? It's all been Lily?
I think
Okay.
it's a good feeling.
It's a good feeling.
This is
How long have you been
very-
waiting to do this?
This is.
Oh,
Know me
no.
for how long? It's all right.
Are you sure?
Hold on.
Hold on.
All right.
Very soupy.
I thought I was ready. It's in my nose. We've got one more problem left on Are You Smarter Than a 4th Grader? My hair is hard from the sugar, and my face is sticky and ready to be cleaned off. So, we're hoping that Lily does not know how to solve this problem, because I'm sure you are all dying as much as I am to pie Will in the face.
Yeah, I want to.
Our last question here. Will is on a 4-wheeling trip. He drives 6,107 miles in 7 days. At this same rate, how many miles can he drive in 9 days? Think about that, Will. I'm going to leave this up for you guys to be solving at home, although you can pause the video.
You can't.
I'm a genius.
Okay.
Okay.
Can you tell us what you did to solve that?
Well, I use math. Thank you. That is all. I just. Oh wait. This is not the answer. Wait. I didn't even finish. Hold on. In 7 days. So, okay, hold on. So, now that I have reconfigured, what I did was I divided 6,107 by 7 and got 959. And so that's how many miles he drove per day. What?
It's not how many. Well, yeah, your process is right.
But that's not how you're going to teach them.
No, your process is right. Your math is wrong.
Oh, no.
So lucky for me, this one tripped Lily up. Well, not really on how to do it, just a little bit of her math was off. So, Will is on a 4-wheeling trip. He drives 6,107 miles in 7 days. At this same rate, how many miles can he drive in 9 days? So to figure out how far he can drive in 9 days, I first need to figure out how far can he go each day. And so to do that, I'm going to take the total miles that he drove in the 7 days and divide that. So we know total he drove 6,107 miles in those 7 days. To figure out how far he drove each day, we will divide that by 7. So 7 goes into 6 0 times. 7 times 0 is 0. Subtract. Bring down our next digit. 7 goes into 61 8 times. 7 times 8 is 56. Subtract 61, take away 56 is 5. If you need to, make sure that you borrow, okay? And then bring down your next digit. That's a 0, sorry. 7 goes into 50 7 times. 7 times 7 is 49. Subtract that and you get 1. Bring down your 7. 7 goes into 17 2 times. 7 times 2 is 14. Subtract and you get a remainder of 3. So each day he's traveling 872 miles. So day 1 he traveled that much. Day 2 he traveled that much. Day 3 and so on. So the rate is he's driving 872 miles every single day. So if we add on a day 8 and a day 9, he's going to drive 872 miles both of those days too. So I want to figure out how many total miles is this? Well, I could do repeated addition, or I could just do multiplication. 872 times, and we have 9 days. 9 times 2 is 18. 9 times 7 is 63, plus 1 is 64. 9 times 8 is 72, plus 6 is 78. So he can drive 7,848 miles in 9 days.
Darn, wait. Does that mean that he... Oh, no.
Oh no!
Oh, no.
Will, been waiting for this all afternoon.
Do you want to do it? I think you should do it.
Are you ready to get a pie
No.
in your face?
No.
Do you need a bib? That really helped me. You want a bib for your...
Sure.
Let's bib you up here.
Bib him up.
All right. Are you ready?
No.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Positive?
Yeah.
You're really positive.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, here we go. Oh! Yeah! Sorry! I got it. I was feeling that.
He's on the floor.
I'm so sorry. Well, I can't thank you guys enough for
Thank you for
being
having us.
a
Thank
part
you.
of this.
We've enjoyed this.
I think Will took it the worst, and I'm really sorry. I hit you kind of hard, but I do love you, and I hope you know that. So, you guys, this was awesome. I hope you guys have a lovely day and that you learned a lot of math.
Yay, Matt.
And do you guys want to take a second and talk about how important math is to life?
Math is fun.
You've heard it
Not
straight from them. Math is fun.
Math is fun. Woohoo.
All right, bye guys.
Woot woot.